What's going on YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today. And what I want to do, guys, I know I've been stepping away from the technical analysis aspect of Bitcoin here for a week or so. And the reason for that is because we've been in a range. We've been chopping back and forth, just a lot of fight between the bulls and the bears. And during this time, what I've been really doing is looking at Glassnode and spending a lot of time on Glassnode. And what I wanted to bring you today was the Mayer multiple. And what this is going to do is help mark those tops for us. And this is something that's going to show you if you get overheated and it may be a good time to take a profit. I want to show you kind of where we're at right now in this bull cycle. So if you get some from these Glassnode videos, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm hoping to do some technical analysis on some coins tomorrow. But for this, I just really want to step back and look at Bitcoin and the top, because this is the driving factor of the entire market. We need Bitcoin to go higher to provide the altcoins more time to run. All right. So let's dig into this here, guys. And I want to also make it as quick as possible. If you guys like these short, quick videos, put short, quick down low in the comments, thumbs up, and we'll do this. All right, guys, so this is the Mayer multiple. And what I want to point out here, this lower region down here, the green line is 0.8. The upper purple line is 2.4. When we get above 2.4, we're overheated, and many times we're going to have a big sell-off after that. It'll be those climax tops, blow-off tops, and then we go into a bear market. Whenever we're down in the green here, it provides great buying opportunities. So what I wanted to point out here was basically as we go through the cycles, back here in 2011, you can see how high it got up, guys, and obviously we're having diminishing cycles since 2011 because it was so new, but you can see how high we actually spiked up on this meter here. We were up around almost 14. And then you can see for 2013 and 14, when we had a bit of the double bubble here, we got up into the range of about 9. This one over here was about 5, and this marked the top. And then you can see we had this long bear market to where we actually got down in the green again. So really look at these cycle pops, guys. Okay, and how low we get. So down in the green here, these are awesome buying opportunities. Up in the red, selling opportunities. So here's our bull market up in this range, and I tried to zoom in as much as I could here, guys. I actually just took a picture as opposed to being on Glassnode because it keeps you a little bit farther away. So I can't zoom in any more than this, but I'm trying to just have you follow my cursor here. So this area right here, this was our peak in 2017, and what you can see is we went up well up above into the 4s, right in this range here, and we got up above this pink band. So this pink band is going to represent this down in this area here. So whenever we get up above that band, many times we're going to have a big sell-off after it. We got up over top of the band, got up over top of the band. And then what I wanted to point out here was back in April and May, we got up and we basically rode the band. We touched the band here. Here we got to about 40, I think it was 45,000. There was a lot of people taking profits at that area. Then we pushed up and had more distribution. But we touched this line here. We got up above our 2.4, maybe close to about 3, maybe 2.83, and then we went all the way back down to the green. You can see that buying opportunity at 30,000. But what I wanted to point out now is take a look at where we're at here, guys. Our price, we're at $60,000, so we're up there right now, and we're not even close to this purple band up here. And you can see where we're at down in this range, maybe at 0.5 right now, and we're in an uptrend. So we had our low, we had a high, higher low off the green line here, higher high. We're going to try to set a higher low and see if we can push up higher. So like I've talked to you guys about here, you know, I'm not a magic man. I can't tell you exactly what's going to happen, but I'm looking at these things and I'm factoring them in. And obviously we're having diminishing market cycles, but guys, this would be a massive diminishing market cycle if we did not get one more leg to the upside here and maybe get to $100,000 or so, 85,000 to 100,000. One more push, you know, maybe touch this line and then start to go back down, but we're not even close to it right now. So what that shows is that we have plenty of room here to still get up and push into some of these higher levels. And the top of this band, I do believe, guys, was like 115 to 120,000, somewhere right in that range. Like I said, I had to take a picture of this, so I can't really bounce around. But with it being at, you know, over $100,000 to get up and touch that band again. So what this is showing me is that we still have plenty of room, even at $60,000, to go touch some of those higher levels. Obviously, the whales are going to play their games. They're trying to shake people out of their positions. And there's also going to be distribution from people who were accumulating at $3,500. As we go higher in this bull market, they're going to continue to sell off and continue to sell off into the retail investors. And that's typically what happens. But right now, we have not had a blow off top. all of our topping indicators that we've looked at, guys, the Puel multiple, reserve risk, everything, nothing's really overheated. The Bitcoin temperature, which I hope to get into with you guys soon, that's not overheated. So I just want to put this out there, guys. If you get something from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I don't think it's the time to panic and freak out right now. We could go down to 53,000, but you know, I think it'd probably get bought up pretty quick, and I think there's more to go in this bull market. So you let me know down below what you think. God bless each and every one of you. Have a wonderful night, guys. Take care.